ABC Reading Hub.
Hello kids! Welcome to our alphabet adventure. We are going to explore the letters A to Z, and each letter has something fun to show us. Let's go on our adventure together. Alphabet Adventure. A. A is for apple. Apples are sweet and crunchy. B. B is for ball. We can play with a ball. C. C is for cat. A cat says meow. D. D is for dog. A dog says woof. E. E is for elephant. Elephants are big animals. F. F is for fish. Fish swim in the water. G. G is for grapes. Grapes are small and round fruits. H. H is for house. A house is where we live. I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and yummy. J. J is for juice. Juice is sweet and refreshing. K. K is for kite. We can fly a kite in the sky. L. L is for lion. A lion is the king of the jungle. M. M is for monkey. Monkeys like to eat bananas. N. N is for nest. Birds build nests in trees. O. O is for orange. Oranges are juicy and round. P. P is for pencil. We use a pencil to write. Q. Q is for queen. A queen wears a crown. R. R is for rainbow. Rainbows have many colors. S. S is for sun. The sun gives us light and warmth. T. T is for tree. Trees give us shade and fresh air. U. U is for umbrella. We use an umbrella when it rains. V. V is for violin. A violin makes beautiful music. W. W is for whale. Whales are big animals in the sea. X. X is for xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument. Y. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt is creamy and healthy. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Wow! We finished our alphabet adventure from A to Z. We learned so many fun words and things. Now kids, can you tell me, what's your favorite letter? See you next time for another adventure.